A very warm hello to all you beautiful souls. Today I'm here with a new moon manifesting ritual for each one of you. You are listening to Preeti Vora, and I have my presence on Facebook and Instagram with the name of Divine Touch by Preeti Vora. We can manifest what we want to bring into our lives. It is the new moon night. Whether you want a new job, a new career option, you want to invite a new love into your life, or you want to make your existing relationship or your marriage better, if you want to ensure peace and harmony in your family members, or increase your finances, ensure good health, or you want to attract anything related to your children, uh, this is the time when you can. Even if you want to shed off your weight or live a life without any kind of addictions or depressions, or invest in a new car or a home, or simply you want to attract positive thoughts and positive words in your life, the new moon night is the night of manifesting. It is a night to bring in the things you really want. It is the new beginning cycle of this moon. So, what do we do tonight? Get a neat piece of paper, write on top of it my new moon manifestations, and put today's date next to it. Then you will write, Dear Universe or angels or whichever God you believe in, address it to whomever you feel comfortable. Now, write down in numbered sentences whatever you want, but be sure that you write as if it is happening currently in your life. If you are concerned about a particular situation, then you can write the same situation 3 times. Let me give you some examples here. So, if you want a new job, you will write, I bring in a new job. If you want your husband to get a new job, you will write, I bring in a new job for my husband, Mr. So and so. If you want a peaceful life, you can write, I am living a peaceful life. My children, please put their names next to it, are studying well and scoring well in their exams. I am purchasing a new car. I am living in my new fully furnished house. These are certain examples that I have given. I'm sure you can frame your own sentences too. You can also write as many as you want. There is no restriction to it. Your new moon manifestation ritual, so you can write as many as you can. It is important that you set the intention and you write it in clear handwriting. Don't just scribble on it. Take your time out, relax yourself, focus on what you are really putting down on this paper. Once you have done writing your list, your wish list, write thank you, thank you, thank you. This will be 3 times. And sign at the bottom with your name written below. So then tonight, under the new moon, you can find a peaceful place to manifest this. You can be in the open place, or like a balcony or terrace, or maybe even near a water body. And don't worry if you can't see the moon in the sky, just know that it is there, and this ritual will definitely work whether you see the moon or you don't see it. Now, take some few deep breaths. Calm down, clear your mind of any kind of thoughts. Focus on that paper. Embrace the letter. When you feel calm, connected, and ready to manifest, simply say that I manifest these wishes tonight. Then you read out the list aloud once, and now you are ready to light the paper on fire. So burn the paper, and the ashes can be released in running water. Once that's done, simply smile and know that your wishes are manifesting. Wishing each one of you a happy new moon manifestation tonight. Thank you.